Good morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are. I'm Paul Clark and welcome to my studio. Today we're going to learn something completely ridiculous, so stay tuned. What I love about this art malarkey is that you never stop learning new stuff. Now this little product, the Elegant Writer, I'd never even heard of, let alone used until a few weeks ago. It was suggested to me by one of you, so thanks Rose. So come and join me for a little bit of magic. They are widely available and you can buy these individually or in a set of 4. They're also available in colours, even though I've not tried these. They have this chiselled nib and are essentially designed to be used for calligraphy, but they have a hidden secret. I've drawn these 3 friendly fishes. Now with only clean water I'm painting directly over my penwork, and wow, this amazing jade colour appears with a fabulous watercolour effect. Now trust me, I'm not applying any paint at all. And what's even more bonkers is a gorgeous pink colour appears in apparently totally random areas. Now I have absolutely no idea if this is actually intended or it's just a fluke of the ink, but I love it. How's this for some more madness? Simply drop in clean water again, then straight away dab out with a tissue. It simply turns pink. How? Why? So let's do a line and wash with our Elegant Writer of an old Victorian water pump. Sketch it out very loosely in pencil first, then straight in with our Elegant Writer. Keep your lines moving freely and loosely. I have a video on starting out in pen and wash, link above if you're interested. Now, I'm just wondering why I've drawn running water when there's no one pumping the handle, but hey, small details. Now I'm putting in a few solid dark areas just to help at that wash stage. Rub out the pencil work, and now we're ready for the clean water. Wow, don't you just love it? I'm concentrating now solely on the background first, leaving the pump alone. I have to say that the pink and the jade just look lovely together, and you can see here clearly that I'm only adding water. Now this is the only paint I'm using, I'm just splatting in a touch of dark green. Now it's totally dry, we can work on the pump. So now I'm just going to finish off with a little unnecessary detail with a permanent marker. There we go. I think a charming little line and wash with the help of an elegant writer. And here are a few other attempts. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, everyone, and you'll give it a try. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'd love to know how you got on. So take care. Bye for now.